Want to download any image with high resolution? Today I'll show you how. Open Google Play Store and download Image Downloader. Once it's installed, open the app. Inside the app, use the search bar and search for any image you want. Scroll and find the image you like. Now, tap on the image to open it. You'll see a download button, tap it. The app will save the image in high resolution directly to your phone. No screenshots, no quality loss. That's how you download any image in HD on Android. Follow for more simple tech tips.